Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zoom webhooks for automated CRM updates step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zoom account. Navigate to the Zoom app marketplace. Use the search bar to find the webhook app. Click on the app to open it. Select the Develop drop-down menu at the top right corner. Choose Build App from the options. Select the webhook only option from the app types. Click Create to start creating your webhook app. Fill in the basic information about your app. Provide a name for your app that reflects its purpose. Enter the contact email where you can receive notifications. Add a short description of what your app does. Select events related to your CRM updates, such as meeting created or participant joined. Ensure that your selected events support the functionalities required for automation. Scroll down to the Event Notifications section. Enter your webhook URL where Zoom will send the event data. Make sure your endpoint is secure and can process incoming requests. Confirm the webhook URL by clicking the Verify button. Adjust any additional settings if needed, like OAuth credentials. Save the changes you've made to your app configuration. Now, navigate to the Manage section to check your app setup. Make sure your app status is set to active. Test the connection by triggering an event within Zoom. Monitor your endpoint to see if it receives event data correctly. If you encounter issues, troubleshoot your endpoint or check the Zoom documentation. Once everything works, integrate the received data into your CRM system. Map the incoming data fields to the appropriate fields in your CRM. Schedule regular updates or processes based on the incoming webhook data. You're all set to automate your CRM updates using Zoom webhooks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.